Here we have a HP EliteBook 8460p for sale. This is the physical condition. It's currently in a standby mode, charging. Show you the physical exterior first. Comes with the Windows license, as you can see. It's got Windows 10 on it at the moment. Here is the internals. You can upgrade with an SSD to make it much quicker. It has 8GB RAM, i7 processor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth standard. I've only cleaned the fan in this, nothing else. And here is the side connections. As you can see, there's a slight dent there, but does not affect the USB port functionality. You can still plug things in there. DVD drive, express slot, and on the other side you got the headphone, microphone, display port, eSATA, USB, and the Kensington lock, and more ports at the back. You've got the modem, network, VGA, so you can connect display port or VGA. It's got FireWire as well, great for video editing if you've got any of those older equipment. It's currently standby, so I'll power it up. It's a ex-university laptop, as you can see, from UNSW. And power it on. So as you can see, this is the 8460p. Yep. Got Windows 10 at the moment, ready to go. It has a 500GB hard drive and i7 second generation CPU, 8GB RAM, Windows 10 Home, and all the devices are all working well. As mentioned in the description, when you turn it on you get a fan error, but the fan actually works fine. It's just a sensor not reading it properly. And as you can see, all the items, all the devices are working correctly. It has an AMD graphic card as well. And just comes with loaded basic essentials like, Google Chrome, Kaspersky Antivirus, LibreOffice. And I'll connect to our Wi-Fi here. Connect. Yep, that's connected. I'll open up Google Chrome. Open up YouTube. And the battery is good as well. It's currently charging 20%. And I'll shut the computer down. It's got the camera as well, obviously. It's got also a fingerprint reader and second trackpad. Just needs a bit of cleanup. Apart from that, all good to go. Thank you for watching.